Even when the world leaders talks for peace, violence still continues. So what are the use of making this kind of talks across the world? Even when peace talks happens, market and schools are still hit by bombs, missiles, and because of war. What kind of hypocrisy is this? There is no humanity in this world? Is it a place of making gimmicks? Do you think the world is a place of gimmicks? Someone is engaged in talk and someone is busy with missiles and bombs. What are you doing? And we are killing people, and the next day I can see the figures in the newspaper. So many people died. Where are we now? Are we in the conscious world? Do you think that the humanity still exists in this universe? I have a doubt. Do you think we are literate? Do you think we are educated? Or maybe we are so-called educated. Do you think you are a leader of the world? If you are a leader of the world, your first and foremost job is to take care of the people of the universe. But instead of taking care of them, you are killing people mercilessly. True peace isn't a slow speech. We must remember that. It must end in the suffering now. There should not be any suffering to the people of the world, like Palestine, Ukraine, Africa. Why people will suffer when they're born in this world as a human being? And where is our humanity? But we are saying that we are human beings without humanity. Diplomacy must protect people first. And that is the role of the diplomacy. Diplomacy for the people. Not power, not profit, not egos. We are more confronted with the egos. More power, more profit, more gain, more money. Why? Why are we doing it? The leaders of the world, I'm requesting you, make sure you should be a leader of the world after your names will be written in golden words. Because you did something for the mankind, you did something for humanity. Remember that. Otherwise, your name will be written with the hatred. Then what is your success as a leader? You can't become a leader when people hate you, even after your death. But if you do good jobs across the world, the people will remember you forever. That is what I'm saying. The leaders, you must take care of the people of the world, people of the universe. Not a single people should suffer or may be killed. The slogans of Brithi. We're born in this world to live but not to die, even a soldier. Because a soldier has a family. He is a father of some children. We have no right to create orphans. We have no right to create widows. We have no rights to create mother without child. A smile can only exist when there is no war, when there is peace. I have a small voice which I am raising from Bangladesh because I am a senior citizen and I believe that I am a very conscious people. I don't want a single people should suffer across the world. I request each and everyone to share this message. So leaders, hear our voice. Let them hear it. And I believe the leaders of the world, if we unite together, this world can become a wonderful place to live in. Please join hands with each and everyone. Stop creating bombs. Everybody should come up with the flowers to share and to smile and say, let us live together with peace and prosperity.